Okay, hey folks, Terry Brown here, and thanks for stopping by to check out this video. Got a brief message I want to share with you. It's a welcome and it's a introduction, okay, to Oliabo, and it's very short, but it's very powerful. So stay with me for the next couple of minutes, okay?
At Oliabo, quality is our first priority.
We're going to raise the bar. I am thoroughly convinced this company is about to leave a dent in this industry that will be felt for many, many years.
When my brother Gordon approached me about this idea of Oliabo, olive tree-derived products, of course, olive extracts from the fruit itself, olive leaf extracts, olive oil itself, which is so powerful. I didn't realize to what extent it was until we really started diving into this idea of Oliabo.
This is the real thing that you're supposed to be using for the Mediterranean diet, which everyone keeps talking about.
Oliabo represents a revolution in multiple industries: skincare, nutritional supplementation.
It represents good from a health and wellness perspective. It represents good from a business perspective. It represents good from human beings just being around human beings. And that's something that we've sadly lost a bit in society, and we do that really well, that community aspect of things.
We want you to experience the product. We want you to have your own stories. We want you to get educated yourselves so that you can understand the incredible things going on in the world with olives and olive oil, and that we're bringing to market through Oliabo, so that you can then go share that with others.
And we become part of something bigger than ourselves. And I learned that from an early age, from the health and wellness perspective and from the business perspective. And I'm grateful for that upbringing.
Why olives? Why olive oil? Right? They've been around for thousands of years. Let me tell you about the awareness gap. Olives and olive oil, it's good for you, part of a healthy diet. The last 10 to 20 years, modern scientific studies and technological and manufacturing processes have been able to identify that olive tree-derived products, not just olive oil, but olive tree-derived products, including specialized olive leaf extract and olive pulp extract, have incredible health benefits that we had no concept of.
I was so intrigued and on board because of that Italian upbringing. We saw the power of extra virgin olive oil.
Color, smell, taste, where it was picked, when it was picked.
Extra virgin olive oil, we use the highest quality extracts from the leaf, the highest quality extracts from the fruit, and we're bringing to market the greatest quality products with Oliabo.
There is part of this story that is extremely authentic, and it is an homage to my wonderful mother that passed away several years ago. This is a testament to her authenticity. The other part of it is I had a wonderful, wonderful father that was Canadian, and he raised us and instilled us with the value of interpersonal business relationships. I think that that's going to be felt in spades in this company.
Okay, folks, but there you have it for this video. Be sure to check in the description area of this video for some links, okay? One to my website, the other to a little information page you can check out. And so I've got some vital information there for you. So please take a look. All right, I'm Terry Brown. I'm wishing you a blessed and amazing day today. Bye-bye now.